Hey everyone, welcome back to 6 Million. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen how kids learn to speak? No grammar books, no pressure. Just listening, copying, and having fun. And guess what? You can learn English the same way, fast, easy, and naturally. In this video, I'm not going to give you boring textbook tricks. Nope, I'll share fun, simple, and unique ways to learn English faster than ever, without stress. And here's the best part. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you. Let's get started. Tip 1. Copy first, don't translate. Think about how babies learn. They don't translate, they just copy. That's exactly what you should do. Watch an English video, maybe a movie scene or a short clip. Now, pause it and try to copy exactly how they're saying the words. Copy their style, their tone, even their expressions. It doesn't need to be perfect, just speak out loud. Trust me, this method works way faster than trying to memorize grammar rules. Tip 2. Make your own story time. Stories aren't just for kids, they're powerful for learning any language. Here's what you can do. At the end of your day, just sit back and say out loud what happened, in English. Like this: I woke up late today. I had tea. I went for a walk in the evening. Simple, right? The more you practice telling your own stories, the more natural English will feel to you. Tip 3. Play word games with yourself. Who says learning can't be fun? Here's a game for you. Look around and name 5 things in English. For example, phone, table, curtain, book, fan. Now, here's a challenge. Can you do it in 30 seconds? This small game will boost your vocabulary and make speaking English part of your daily life, without feeling like you're studying. Tip 4. Sing and learn. Here's a fun one: singing. It doesn't matter if you're a good singer or not. Singing helps you improve your pronunciation and rhythm. Start with simple songs you already know, like Happy Birthday or any easy English tune. Sing loud, sing proud. It will help you remember words faster, and hey, it's fun too. Tip 5. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Now, this might feel a little weird at first, but it's super effective. Just talk to yourself in English. For example, I am making tea now, or I am going out for a walk. No one's listening. This is just for you. The more you talk, the more confident you'll get. And soon, speaking English will feel completely natural. By the way, if you're stuck somewhere or have any questions, just ask me in the comments. I'm always here to help you out. And hey, tell me, what kind of videos would help you learn better? Do you want more speaking practice, listening tips, or something completely different? I'll make sure to bring content that you actually need. You can do this. I just want to remind you, learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about trying, making mistakes, laughing at yourself, and then trying again. Think about it. Babies don't worry about making mistakes, and they learn faster than anyone else. You can do this too. Just keep going. Keep practicing and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 6 Million for more easy and fun ways to learn English. And hey, before you go, drop a sentence in the comments using a new English word you learned today. Let's practice together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling, and stay confident.